In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up for a Salesforce exam online proctoring. First, open your web browser and go to the Trailhead website. Once the page loads, continue by creating a Trailhead profile, move to the main menu area, and locate the certifications section. Hover over the menu and continue by selecting Browse All Certifications. This will open the certifications page, where all available Salesforce certification exams are displayed. Once the certifications page loads, continue reviewing the recommended certifications section. From here, search for the Salesforce exam you want to take. If needed, use the available filters shown on the page to narrow down the certification list. You can filter the certifications alphabetically or by product category, role, or certification level. After locating the certification exam you want to schedule, click on the exam title to open the full certification details page. This section will display information connected to the certification, including the role related to the exam, any required prerequisites, the exam cost, and the available exam languages. Continue reviewing the exam details shown on the screen until you are ready to proceed with registration. Once you are ready, locate and click on Register or Register Now to continue with the exam setup process. After opening the registration section, continue by selecting the exam delivery method. For this setup, choose the online proctoring option. This will allow the exam to be completed remotely instead of at a physical testing location. Continue moving through the registration process and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. During the setup, make sure the selected exam information matches the certification you want to take before continuing to the next section. Once the registration process has been completed successfully, Salesforce will send a confirmation message to your email inbox. Open your email account and look for the confirmation email connected to your exam registration. Inside the confirmation email, continue reviewing the exam information provided. The message will include important details connected to your exam appointment, including the scheduled exam date, exam time, and any instructions required before the exam session begins. If any page takes a few moments to load during the registration process, wait for the system to finish updating before moving to the next step. Once the confirmation email has been received and the registration details appear correctly, the setup process for your Salesforce exam with online proctoring will be completed. And that is how to set up for a Salesforce exam with online proctoring.